Hello, friends. Welcome to ABCD English Podcast. I am Sophia.
Hi, everyone. This is Jack. It is so good to be here with you today on ABCD English Podcast.
Jack, how are you today?
I am good, Sophia, but I am a little hungry. I only had coffee this morning.
Coffee. I love coffee too. But now I am thinking about food. Maybe we can talk about cooking today.
Yes, please. I love food. I like to eat, but I am not the best at cooking.
That is okay. Today we will learn English while we talk about cooking recipes and kitchen adventures. It will be easy and fun.
Cooking recipes and kitchen adventures? Like how to make food and funny stories from the kitchen?
Yes, exactly. We will learn many useful words and phrases. This topic is very useful because we cook and eat every day. You can talk about your favorite food with friends. You can follow recipes in English. You can describe what you do in the kitchen. It helps in real life.
Yes, and when I go to a restaurant or visit friends, I can talk about cooking. Food is fun to talk about.
Perfect. If you like this episode, please subscribe to ABCD English Podcast. Like this video and share it with your friends who are learning English. It helps us make more episodes for you.
Yes, subscribe to ABCD English Podcast. We love making these for you.
Thank you, Jack. Now, are you ready to start our lesson?
I am ready. Let us go into the kitchen. With words.
Great! First, let us learn some important words. The kitchen is the room where we cook food. It has a stove, a fridge, a sink, and a counter.
Kitchen. I know this word. My kitchen has a big fridge and a white stove.
Yes, the fridge keeps food cold. We put milk, eggs, and vegetables in the fridge.
The eggs are in the fridge. I drink milk every day.
Good! The stove is where we cook with heat. We put a pan on the stove.
The pan is on the stove. Be careful, it gets hot.
Yes, turn on the stove. The pan is hot. Another word is oven. The oven is a box that gets very hot inside. We bake cakes and bread in the oven.
Oven. I bake cookies in the oven. Sometimes I burn them.
Burn. That is when food cooks too long and becomes black. It does not taste good.
I burnt my toast this morning. It was black.
Poor toast. But now you know the word burn. Let us use it. I burn the rice sometimes. She burns the cookies. Do not burn the eggs.
Do not burn the eggs. I will remember.
Good. Now, a very important word. Recipe. A recipe is instructions to make a dish. It tells you what you need and what to do.
Recipe. My mom has a recipe book. It has many recipes.
Yes, I follow the recipe. This recipe is easy. Can you give me the recipe for the cake?
Can you give me the recipe? Good question.
Perfect. Now, ingredients. Ingredients are the foods you use to make something. For a cake, ingredients are flour, sugar, eggs, and butter.
Ingredients. Eggs and flour are ingredients.
Yes. What ingredients do you need? I have all the ingredients ready.
I have all the ingredients ready.
Wonderful. Let us practice. Where do we cook food?
We cook food in the kitchen.
Good. Where do we put the pan?
We put the pan on the stove.
Yes. What tells us how to make a dish?
A recipe tells us how to make a dish.
Perfect. What are the foods in a recipe?
The ingredients.
You are doing great, Jack. Now, let us learn a simple recipe. Today we will make scrambled eggs. It is easy and good for breakfast.
Scrambled eggs. I like them. They are soft and yellow.
Yes. First, the ingredients. You need 2 or 3 eggs, a little milk, a pinch of salt, a little pepper, and butter. You need a bowl, a fork, and a frying pan.
A pinch of salt. What is a pinch?
A pinch is a very small amount. You take it with your fingers. Add a pinch of salt.
A pinch of salt. Not too much.
Good. Now the steps. Step 1. Crack the eggs into a bowl.
Crack the eggs into a bowl. I crack 2 eggs.
Yes, be careful. Do not let the shell fall into the bowl. If it does, take it out with a spoon.
No shell in the bowl. I use a spoon.
Good. Step 2. Beat the eggs with a fork. Beat means mix quickly in circles.
Beat the eggs. Mix, mix, mix. I make them bubbly.
Yes, add a little milk. This makes them soft. Add a pinch of salt and a little pepper.
Add milk, add salt, add pepper.
Step 3. Heat the frying pan on the stove. Use medium heat, not too hot.
Medium heat. I know this now.
Add a little butter. Let it melt.
Butter in the pan. It smells good.
Step 4. Pour the eggs into the pan.
Pour the eggs. Slowly.
Then, stir gently with a spatula. Stir means move the eggs around. Cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Do not cook too long or they become dry.
Stir gently. I like soft eggs.
When they look good, turn off the stove. Put the eggs on a plate. You can add more salt or cheese if you like.
Cheese on eggs? I will try that.
Now, Jack, can you say the full recipe?
First, crack 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl. Beat them with a fork. Add a little milk, a pinch of salt, and pepper. Heat the pan on medium heat. Add butter. Pour the eggs in. Stir gently until soft. Serve on a plate.
Excellent, Jack. You remembered almost everything. Just be careful with medium heat.
Thank you, Sophia. I feel like a chef now.
You are doing very well. Let us repeat some words. What do we do with eggs at the start?
We crack the eggs.
Yes. What do we do in the bowl?
We beat the eggs.
Good. What do we do in the pan?
We stir the eggs.
Perfect. Let us make more sentences. I crack 3 eggs every Sunday.
I crack 3 eggs every Sunday.
She beats the eggs for the cake.
She beats the eggs for the cake.
We pour the milk into the bowl.
We pour the milk into the bowl.
He stirs the soup on the stove.
He stirs the soup on the stove.
Great! Repetition helps us remember.
Yes, I like repeating. It feels easy.
Now, let us learn another easy recipe. How to make a grilled cheese sandwich. It is perfect for lunch.
Grilled cheese. Bread and cheese. I like it.
Yes. Ingredients. 2 slices of bread, 1 or 2 slices of cheese, and butter.
Butter on the bread.
Steps. First, butter one side of each bread slice. The butter side goes out.
Butter side out.
Put the cheese between the 2 slices.
Cheese inside.
Heat a pan on medium heat. Put the sandwich in the pan.
Medium heat again.
Cook for 2 or 3 minutes until the bottom is golden brown. Then flip the sandwich.
Flip the sandwich. Turn it over.
Cook the other side until the cheese melts. Take it out and enjoy. It is crispy outside and soft inside.
Gooey cheese. I like gooey.
Yes, gooey means soft and stretchy. Now, your turn, Jack.
Butter the bread on one side. Put cheese inside. Heat the pan on medium heat. Cook until golden. Flip it. Cook the other side. Take it out and eat.
Perfect! You are a recipe star today.
Thank you. But sometimes my cheese melts out. It makes a mess on the pan. That is my kitchen adventure.
Yes, too much cheese or too much heat. The cheese escapes.
The cheese escapes. Funny, but messy.
I have a story too. One time, I wanted to bake a cake. I mixed flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. I put the pan in the oven, but I forgot to turn on the oven. After 1 hour, the cake was still raw batter.
Still raw? What did you do?
I turned on the oven and baked it longer. The top became a little hard, but we ate it with ice cream. It was still sweet.
Sweet but not perfect. My other adventure. I tried to make popcorn on the stove. I put oil and corn in the pan. I put the lid on, but I forgot to shake it. The bottom burned. The house smelled bad for 2 days.
Burned popcorn. That smell stays long. Now, you shake the pan or use the microwave.
Yes, microwave is safer for me.
These stories help us learn. We pay attention. We follow steps. We are careful.
Yes, and we laugh at our mistakes.
Now, let us learn more cooking words. Boil means cook in very hot water with bubbles. We boil water for pasta or eggs.
Boil water. I boil water for tea every morning.
Fry means cook in hot oil. We fry eggs or chicken.
Fry eggs. I like fried eggs too.
Bake means cook in the oven. We bake bread or cookies.
Bake cookies. The house smells sweet.
Mix means put things together. We mix flour and sugar.
Mix the ingredients in the bowl.
Chop means cut into small pieces with a knife. We chop vegetables.
Chop the carrots. Be careful with the knife.
Peel means take off the skin. We peel potatoes or apples.
Peel the potato. I am not very fast at this.
That is okay. Practice helps. Let us make sentences. I boil an egg for 7 minutes.
I boil an egg for 7 minutes.
She fries chicken on the stove.
She fries chicken on the stove.
We bake bread every weekend.
We bake bread every weekend.
He chops onions for the soup.
He chops onions for the soup.
I peel the apples for the pie.
I peel the apples for the pie.
Excellent. You are using the words very well.
Thank you. It feels natural now.
Let us talk about how to follow a recipe. Recipes use words like first, next, then, after that, finally.
First, next, then, finally. Like steps in order.
Yes. Example for simple vegetable soup. First, wash and chop the vegetables. Next, heat oil in a pot. Then, fry the vegetables. After that, add water and boil. Finally, add salt and serve hot.
First, chop. Next, heat. Then, fry. After that, add. Finally, serve.
Perfect. You can use these words when you explain something.
Yes, like teaching a friend how to cook.
Now, let us review what we learned today.
Yes, review time. I want to remember everything.
First, the kitchen. We have a stove, oven, fridge, pan, bowl, and knife. Be careful with hot things and sharp things.
Be careful. Safety first.
Key words: cook, recipe, ingredients, crack, beat, pour, stir, boil, fry, bake, chop, peel, mix, salt, pepper, butter, eggs, bread, cheese.
Many words, but I know them now.
Important phrases. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Beat the eggs with a fork. Heat the pan on medium heat. Stir gently. Flip the sandwich. Add a pinch of salt. Be careful, it is hot. First, next, then, finally.
I like these phrases. They are useful.
Main points. We learned 2 simple recipes: scrambled eggs and grilled cheese sandwich. We talked about kitchen adventures and funny mistakes. We learned that mistakes help us learn. We can describe cooking in simple English every day.
Yes, and it is fun to talk about food.
Before we finish, here is some encouragement. Practice English every day. Even 10 minutes helps. Small progress matters. Do not worry about mistakes. Everyone burns toast or adds too much salt sometimes. Be patient with yourself. Learning takes time, but you are already improving. Have fun. Cook something simple and say the steps out loud in English. You will learn fast and eat well too.
Yes. Tomorrow I will make scrambled eggs and say every step in English. Now I crack the eggs. Now I beat them. Now I stir.
Wonderful idea, Jack. Thank you for joining us today on ABCD English Podcast. We hope you had fun and learned useful English.
Yes, thank you. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to ABCD English Podcast, like the video, and share it with your friends who want to learn English. It really helps us.
We love reading your comments. What is your favorite thing to cook? Do you have a funny kitchen story? Write in the comments below. We read every comment and answer many of them.
Yes, please comment. We want to hear from you.
Keep practicing every day. You are doing amazing work. See you in the next episode of ABCD English Podcast.
Goodbye, friends. Keep cooking, keep learning, and stay happy.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your time in the kitchen.